Hello and welcome everybody. In this tutorial we will see how to handle static content with the RoadRunner. With RoadRunner we have two main options to handle static files. First option is to add HTTP middleware called static, and the second option is to activate file server plugin. Let's have a look at the first option. To activate HTTP middleware, you have to add static to the list of the middleware as well as the configuration for it. Let's have a look at the options. First option is dir, means directory where your static content is located. Then we have allow and forbid directives to allow some extensions or forbid some of them, if we have, for example, a directory with a mixed content. Then we have calculate ETAG mechanism. The RoadRunner calculate ETAG mechanism supports both strong validation and weak validation. Strong validation activated when you use true for calculate ETAG and false for weak, and weak used when you use calculate ETAG true and weak also set to true. A strongly validated ETAG much indicates that the content of the two resource representations is byte for byte identical. But a weakly validating ETAG much only indicates that the two representations are semantically equivalent. Also you may add a response headers to your static file content response. Let's have a look at the second option, file server plugin. File server plugin might be used when you need from your main HTTP endpoint very high performance and you don't want to waste the time to search for the static files for the main static middleware. In this case, you may allocate a dedicated file server on a different address. It also has calculate ETAG and the weak validation ETAG mechanism, as well as more advanced options to serve static files. One of them is stream request body. If it's set to true for the files more than 4 kilobytes, RoadRunner will stream such files. Also, we have a serve option. Serve option might be used when you need to serve different folders, routes, under different prefixes. Also, we have some nice features like compress. If set to true, RoadRunner will compress your static content. Then we have max age for the cache control header and cache duration. This is the time in second how long RoadRunner will cache your response. And also we have bytes range headers. Bytes range headers used for accept range bytes header and use it to indicate that the server supports for the partial request for the client's files for downloads. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.